Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture, we studied basic metallurgical operation with reference to coppers. And today we are going to study another very important basic topic, which is occurrence of metals. Now let's discuss in details. Occurrence of metals. My dear student, metals are found in nature in different forms and locations. They're not always present in pure form. What is occurrence of metals? Occurrence of metals means the natural existence of metals in the Earth's crust in different forms. Metals are found mainly in Earth's crust, rocks, minerals. Forms of occurrence of metals. My dear student, metals occur in nature in two main forms. First one, native state in free state. Second one, combined state. And the first one, native state mean free state. My dear student, some less reactive metals are found in free or pure form. Example, gold, silver, platinum. These metals are very unreactive, so they do not combine easily with other elements. Second one, combined state. My dear student, most metals are found in combined form with other elements. They are present as oxides, sulphides, carbonates, chlorides. These compounds are called ores. What are minerals and ores? My dear student, minerals are natural substances containing metals and combined forms. Ores are those minerals from which metals can be economically extracted. The difference between minerals and ore. Mineral, naturally occurring substance, while ore contain metals in extractable form. Mineral may or may not be useful. Ore are economically useful. Example of mineral, bauxite. Example of ore, aluminium ore. Now, important types of ores. Metals occur in different types of ores. First one, oxide ore, metal combined with oxygen. Example, bauxite, Al2O3.X-H2O, and hematite, Fe2O3. Second one, sulphide ores, metals combined with sulfur. Example, zinc blende, ZnS, copper, pyrite, CuFeS2. Third one, carbonate ores, metal combined with carbonate ions. Example, Calamine, ZnCO3, limestone, CaSO3. Fourth one, chloride ores, metal combined with chlorine. Example, rock salt, NaCl. Now, importance of studying occurrence of metals. My dear student, it helps in extraction of metals and industrial production and understanding natural resources. Now, summary of occurrence of metals. My dear student, metals occur in nature in free or combined form. Less reactive metals are found in native state. In free state, most metals are found as ores. Ores include oxides, sulphides, carbonates, and chlorides. Mineral are the natural substances. Ore are useful mineral. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on occurrence of metal. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more connected lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.